Ensuring compliance. Navigating the classification of goods subject to trade remedies for importer security filing. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the classification of goods subject to trade remedies in the context of importer security filing, ISF. Trade remedies, such as anti-dumping duties and countervailing duties, are measures that countries impose to address unfair trade practices. Understanding how to navigate the classification process for such goods is crucial for importers. Let's dive into the topic and explore the complexities involved. Definition of trade remedies. Trade remedies are measures imposed by countries to address unfair trade practices, including anti-dumping duties and countervailing duties. Complexities in classification. The classification of goods subject to trade remedies can be complex, as it involves determining the correct harmonized system, HS, code for the product. Importance of accurate classification. Accurate classification of goods is essential for ISF compliance, as it ensures the correct identification of goods subject to trade remedies. Understanding harmonized system, HS, codes. The harmonized system is an international nomenclature used to classify goods for customs purposes. Importers must familiarize themselves with the HS codes relevant to their trade. Utilizing customs expertise. Importers can benefit from the expertise of customs brokers who are well versed in HS codes and the classification of goods in various trade remedy scenarios. Trade remedy investigations. Importers should stay informed about ongoing trade remedy investigations to assess if their imported goods may be subject to future trade remedy measures. Product analysis and documentation. Importers must analyze their products carefully, including their composition, production methods, and import value, to determine the correct classification. Compliance with regulatory requirements. Importers must ensure compliance with the documentation and reporting obligations associated with goods subject to trade remedies. Consideration of tariff differentials. The classification of goods subject to trade remedies may result in different tariff rates compared to non-remedy goods, impacting import costs. Evaluation of product substitutability. Importers should analyze whether there are alternative products with different classifications that may not be subject to trade remedies. Regular review of classification. Importers should regularly review the classification of their goods to ensure ongoing compliance and assess potential changes in trade remedy measures. Consultation with legal experts. In complex cases, importers may seek legal advice to ensure accurate classification and adherence to trade remedy regulations. Accessing government resources. Importers can consult government resources, such as tariff databases or trade remedy information portals, to stay updated on relevant classifications. Risk management strategies. Importers should develop risk management strategies to address potential trade remedy measures, including exploring alternative sourcing options or negotiation opportunities. Potential appeals and disputes. Importers have the right to challenge classification decisions through administrative appeals or dispute settlement mechanisms if they believe the classification is incorrect. Cross-border cooperation. Importers should maintain open communication with foreign suppliers to ensure accurate information exchange for the proper classification of goods. Compliance with ISF requirements. Importers must accurately report the classification and other relevant details in their ISF filings to ensure compliance with ISF regulations. Internal controls and record-keeping. Importers should establish internal controls and maintain detailed records of their classification determinations to demonstrate due diligence. Continuous monitoring and industry engagement. Importers should actively monitor trade remedy developments and engage in industry associations or networks to stay informed about classification trends. Navigating the classification of goods subject to trade remedies in importer security filing, ISF, requires careful analysis, accurate documentation, and awareness of trade remedy regulations. Importers should leverage the expertise of customs brokers, consult legal advice if needed, and stay proactive in their classification practices. Accurate classification ensures compliance with ISF requirements and mitigates the risks associated with trade remedy measures. Thank you for watching today's video on navigating the classification of goods subject to trade remedies in importer security filing. We hope you found this discussion informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable insights and knowledge on these topics. See you in the next video.